Hello guys! Welcome to the first chapter of the course, Facebook Messenger Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about an introduction to Facebook Messenger marketing. Let's get started. Facebook is a widely used social media platform today. It has a separate app that allows people to send messages to their friends, colleagues, and businesses. There are over 1.3 billion people who are using the messaging platform to connect with businesses. Facebook Messenger is an instant messaging platform where people can send messages, photos, videos, send stickers, GIFs, attach files, start video chats, create group chats, interact with Messenger bots, and a lot more. On your computer's web browser, you can access the Messenger and send direct messages to people inside a pop-up window while you are browsing your Facebook news feed. There's an option to view all your messages on a separate messenger.com site where you must log in to your Facebook account. On your mobile device, you can access a separate Messenger app to send messages to your customers. Conversations on Messenger build relationships with your customers. When people discover business pages, they can send a direct message, which allows instant communication with businesses that they are interested in. You can greet your customers, answer their inquiries, and offer your products once you have built rapport with new customers. You can get more people to choose your business over the other businesses who promote the same services or products as yours. This is because of the trust that you will gain from responding to your customers' inquiries about your brand and products. Responding as soon as you have received their inquiries will help a lot in choosing your business. It improves customers' queries with your business. The ability to send messages in real time allows brands to have a welcoming characteristic that gives a positive image to customers. It shows that you have customer service that caters to the needs of your potential and regular customers. It allows people to communicate with your business without the need to be in your physical store. Messenger allows you to acquire new customers. People can discover your business page if they are looking for products that they would like to purchase online. If they browse your page content, the promotions that you share on your page can grab their attention. It can spark their interest in your products or services and send you a direct message on your page. These ready buyers are looking for businesses that match what they are looking for. It increases the customer's intent to purchase and drive more sales to your business. When you have a Facebook shop on your page, potential customers can discover the products that you offer. Your checkout method in your shop can have the message as checkout on each product that you have, and people can send you a direct message asking about the availability of the product and how they can purchase them. As a result, it drives more sales to your business, and this helps increase your sales. When you have integrated a chatbot to automate your conversations, people can have the option to choose among the products that you offer, making it easier for them to avail themselves of your products. Customers prefer sending messages through Messenger rather than using email or calling you on your business number. It's easy for anyone to send a message on business pages to inquire about the products or services that you offer. Messenger marketing can be beneficial for your business. It helps your brand build trust with your customers and engage with your business to purchase your products and drive more sales. It's more powerful when you involve chatbots to automate your conversation with customers on Messenger. Now that you know about an introduction to Facebook Messenger marketing, we can now proceed to the next topic. Why is Facebook Messenger important for your business? I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.